If your eyes bother you from computer use, this will definitely be a welcome episode of RSI Help YouTube. Hello, I'm Deborah Quilter, and let's begin by rubbing our palms together. Now, if you have RSI, it may be stressful for you to do this, but you can do something else. You can blow on your hands, and that will help warm them up. And then once your hands are nice and warm, you want to put the little fingers together, and then you take the heel of the hand and you put it on your cheekbone and the fingertips in your hairline. Don't press into your eyeballs, but rather let the warmth of your palms radiate into them and help the eyes relax. So let's begin. Rubbing your hands together if it doesn't bother you, or blowing into your hands to warm them up if it does. And once they're nice and toasty warm, put the fingertips together. Put the palms on your cheeks, the fingers in your hairline, and keep the little fingers together to block out all the light. And you can stay here for a long time if you like and breathe. We're just going to do it for a minute, but you can pause the video if you'd like to stay here longer. And if you only do one thing, the palming of the eyes would be the one. So the next thing will be helpful in taking your eyes from left to right. You keep your head facing front. You bring your arms a little bit below shoulder height so you're not hunching your shoulders. The thumbs are up, and if they're back here, you won't be able to see them. So bring them a little bit forward so that you can look at your thumbs. And without moving your head, gaze to your right thumb and then back to center, and then go across to your left. So you're going to come to the right without turning your head, and then left, looking at your thumbs. Do this a few times. And relax. Now, keep your right arm down and bring your left arm forward and a little bit out. And so you're going to take your eyes from the thumb on top to the thumb on the bottom. So the bottom thumb is just resting on your thigh. So take your eyes up and down on a diagonal, up and down. One more time. And then switch. Now the other arm is up, and you're going to look from one thumb to another, up and down, up and down, up and down. Then we've looked right and left diagonally, so now let's go all the way around the clock. So take your right arm and you're going to make a circle and keep your head facing forward, but just look at the thumb as you make this nice big circle with your shoulder. If this bothers you, you can obviously leave the arms out and just do without. Let's do the other side. Let the breathing be continuous and easy. And then relax and breathe. Relax your shoulders. You can close your eyes. You could palm your eyes again. The next one is for near vision to distance vision. If you don't want to do this one, get up, walk to the closest window and look as far away as you can and just relax your eyes in the distance. The other thing that you can do is take one of your hands, put it right in front of your nose, look at your thumbnail, bring it to the tip of your nose, and then let it go to a straight elbow again. So you're just bringing your thumb close to your nose and then an arm length away. Do that a few times. Good. So the nice way to finish this series is to once again get your palms warm, nice and toasty, and palm your eyes. and bathe your eyes in beautiful warmth and darkness. Let your eyes completely relax. Maybe smile a little bit to relax your face. And those are some of the eye exercises that you can do to keep your eyes healthy at the computer. And remember to blink.